Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make the most delicious seafood rice ever. This recipe is going to be a staple in your home. It takes no time to make and it's absolutely delicious. We have shrimp, crab, come on, it's going to be amazing. Before we begin, please take a quick moment to subscribe if you're new here so you can see more videos like this one, and let's dive in. All right guys, to begin, we are going to start by sauteing our veggies. I have some bell peppers, onions, celery. First thing first, let me drizzle some olive oil to my cast iron and make sure it's on medium-high heat. We're going to start by adding our celery as well as some of the bell peppers in there. Of course, we gotta add some onions in there. I'm going to saute these until they're nice and soft. And once the onion is nice and translucent, we can add the garlic. I don't want to burn the garlic, so yeah. Also, I'm going to be adding in some Epis, some Haitian Epis. It's very similar to sofrito. It has garlic, scallion, parsley, thyme, all of that good stuff in there. I'm going to add that in once my veggies are nice and soft. Now we're going to add in the Epis. Add that in. Also, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Like I said, I like to add these after because I don't want them to burn. As you can see, the onions and the bell peppers are nice and thick. They take a little bit longer to soften. So we're going to fry these until for about 10 seconds. Then we can add our rice in there. Now this is my rice. I'm using Jasmin rice. It's already washed and this is raw. It is not pre-cooked. It is not parboiled. So I'm going to add that right in, just like this. I'm going to fry that for a little bit. That will help the rice cook faster, just like this. I've been frying the rice for about 1 minute now. I am going to add in my chicken broth. Add that in just like so. By the way, that was 2 cups of rice. And I'm going to add in the seasoning. For the seasoning, I'm using Old Bay, Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, some dry parsley with ground black pepper. We're going to just add that all over the rice. Ooh, it smells so good. Just mix it together, just like this. And we're going to add some more of that chicken broth so the rice can cook. So another cup of that chicken broth in, just like this. Going to add in some bay leaves in there and a little bit of salt, okay? Just like this. Give it a mix. Now it's time for you to taste it to see if you need to add anything else. In that case, we don't. So now I'm going to add in my crab so the crab can soak all of that juice on top of the rice. So just place it right in just like this. Okay. Now we're going to add the other claw, just like so. All right, once you have your crab in there, you are going to add your shrimp. I am going to just place the shrimp in there. And the shrimp is just going to soak all of the sauce, the delicious sauce broth from the rice. All right, just add that in there. Make sure it's kind of submerged a little bit so you can get that shrimp nice and cooked. I'm going to cover this for about 15 minutes and we shall be ready to dive in this beautiful seafood rice. Just like this. All right, guys, the rice is nice and ready. It's been 15 minutes. Okay, so let's remove it and plate it. It smells amazing as always, and it's looking good. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley on there, even though I'm going to plate it. But this is it, you guys. It looks so good. It smells amazing right now. I can't wait to dive in. So let's plate it. You know I gotta give this seafood rice a try, right? Let's try it. It's so flavorful. The rice is just, oh my God, I've never tasted a rice so flavorful like that before. The shrimp is so perfectly cooked. I know the crab is about to be busting, okay? I hope you guys try this recipe out, hopefully sooner than later. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you did enjoy it. If you're going to try it, leave a comment down below. Let me know, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.